Okay, we got ourselves a new unboxing here, the WUBANK multi-tool pliers, 33-in-1. Look at this box here. Got a little bit of weight to her, so let's go ahead and get this baby open and see what we get. So it looks like we're getting a okay, we got a little holder here, got a belt clip. Let's see if we can unsnap her. Yeah, we can. So we don't have to take our belt off. And looks like we got a little screwdriver set here. Got some flats. And we got like a star key and stuff. No Phillips. Maybe it's on the other side. And the other side. There's a little Phillips there, another flat, another star. So only one Phillips. A lot of flats, one Phillips. So that's how they are. That's how you do it. Get that back in there. Let's pull it out. Let's get her out of the plastic. I wish I had a sheet of paper with me so I could see how sharp it is. Let's see. I mean, as dumb as it is, I do still like to have, oh, there it is. Instructions. I mean, I know I'm a man. I'm gonna sit here and try to do it myself. And then of course, I'm Gen X, so I need my readers. Ain't gonna help me too much right now. So I'm gonna have to just man it. Let's see here. So I got some bite on it. So I got my pliers. So they're spring loaded. We got our logo here. Got another clip here so you can clip it to something, maybe your belt, without having to use the case. This has some number. Oh, okay, I see what this is for now. You get it? Good. I'm having a singer moment, so I don't get it. I know what it is. It's for your, not your hex, but, you know. So here's a, I was sitting there talking about it, Phillips. Okay, I got some blades in here. Let's see here. Now, so right now, it's a little tight. So I got this little thing right here. Okay, well, I know this is a knife. I'd have to go get myself a piece of paper to see if it's that sharp. So it does lock down. Looks like you got a little release here. See what we got over here. Okay, we got some scissors. So they're not spring loaded. I got some here. It looks like they're supposed to be spring loaded. And this is supposed to be, you see right there? But it's not popping back down. So you gotta do this. This is what it looks like to me. So I could be wrong. See that goes back and forth like that. That's gotta be locked there. Oh, now we're cooking with gas. See, almost bad mouthing. Okay, it's gotta be locked right there. Then it works. Cause I ain't have it locked right. Now I got the scissors just hanging out here. I think it's this here. I push right here. There it is. There's a little catch right here. There we go. Okay. Now I got it. So somewhere in here, they done figured all this out. I just got to figure it out for them. Okay, so to get this sucker out here, let's see. Pull that out. Now there's like I said, this little catch thing here. So if I push this thing in here, well, let's close it back again. Because I see another little tool. I got a file, some measurements on it. I'm gonna close it. Okay, so everything that closes has some kind of little latch thing that's there, like that. So this, so there's some, this is to something. See, this pushes, but what does it push on? And it's on the opposite side too. So we got a little sawtooth. It locks, so a little saw, down. Okay, so we got the knife, scissors, saw, file. Okay, so that's it closed, plus your hex key, open. So somewhere we do this, and this probably gets these little blades out. Well, I ain't gonna sit here. Well, it does move them, so I think this needs to be exercised a little bit, or exercised, you know, like the demons. Because it's brand new out the box. It's tight. They got it tight. Seems to be real metal. I mean, not seems, it's real metal. If I do it on this side here, can I get this little? So I think this is for the screws. This works with the whole screw thing here. So you just change the screws out. If I can just get the dang thing open. You know what? I'm just calling this King's X for the night. Multi-tool, I'll figure it out. At some point, Gen X just has to give up. Okay, that's the unboxing and me making a fool of myself and pushing that all the way through when it shouldn't have been. Okay, there you go. WUBANK.